Welcome back to another episode of Security Skates. This is your host Paul, and on this episode, we will be putting together a complete assembly for a recent raffle giveaway that we did. It's always fun to put together a new board, get some grip tape on there, get it all complete and set up. Big shout out to the winner that took home this complete setup. I'm going to let you guys enjoy this video. Check it out. Absolutely gorgeous. If you are trying to get your very own Security Skates complete, you can head over to securityskates.com and click on the Security Skate Shop link to get over to the shop and figure out how to get one started. This has been your host Paul with another episode of Security Skates. Now put down your phone and go skate, y'all. Happy skateboarding.